This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Kirsten Ct. Spacious 3-half split floor plan pool home in Shenandoah, living space 1,897 square feet. Features include kitchen with granite countertops, maplewood cabinets, hardwood floors, carpets, tile, and a pool in a quiet neighborhood. Screened-in pool, newly renovated, and spacious yard. Open kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a family room. Nearby park, and fire department. Enter through double doors into beautiful split bedroom floor plan, cathedral ceilings, and an updated kitchen. Exciting screened outdoor deck for entertainment. High-end with new impact windows and doors throughout. Trane AC unit new in 2021. Nearby schools, Flamingo Elementary, Indian Ridge Middle, Western High. $5,000 seller credit to buyer closing cost for more.